your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner FH52000G is a game changer in the carpet cleaning industry. It's an innovative product that simplifies the process of deep cleaning carpets, making it easy and convenient for homeowners to clean their carpets without needing professional help. With its unique design and advanced features, the Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner FH52000G has quickly become a favorite among homeowners who want to keep their carpets looking clean and fresh. One of the standout features of the Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner FH52000G is its automatic cleaning technology. With this technology, the machine automatically mixes and dispenses the right cleaning solution for optimal performance. This feature makes it easy for users to achieve a deep clean without having to manually mix and measure the cleaning solutions. All you need to do is fill the clean water tank, add the cleaning solution to the solution tank, and let the machine do the rest. The FH52000G also comes equipped with a powerful motor and brush roll that work together to lift and remove dirt and stains from deep within the carpet fibers. The brush roll is designed to be gentle on carpets, preventing damage, while still providing a deep clean. This makes it perfect for delicate carpets, such as wool or silk. Another great feature of the FH52000G is its heat force technology, which helps speed up the drying process. This is important because wet carpets can become a breeding ground for mold and bacteria if left to dry slowly. With heat force, the FH52000G can reduce the drying time by up to 50%, ensuring that your carpets are clean, fresh, and dry in no time. The FH52000G also features a large water tank that holds up to 1 gallon of clean water, which is enough to clean a large area without needing to refill. The dirty water tank is also easy to remove and clean, making maintenance a breeze. Additionally, the FH52000G comes with a hose and tool attachment for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas, further increasing its versatility. The FH52000G's design is also worth noting. It has a sleek and modern look, with a turquoise color that adds a pop of color to any room. The machine is also lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it easy to clean large areas without feeling fatigued. The FH52000G's compact size also makes it easy to store when not in use. Overall, the Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner FH52000G is a fantastic product that delivers exceptional cleaning performance with minimal effort. Its automatic cleaning technology, powerful motor, heat force technology, and versatile design make it a must-have for homeowners who want to keep their carpets looking clean and fresh. Whether you have pets or kids, or just want to maintain a clean home, the FH52000G is an excellent investment that will save you time and money in the long run.